happy for our brother. Yenze omukulu mu family.
The elder in the family.
Okubeera kwa Sam.
Presence of Sam.
Kwali kwanyamba.
Helped me so much.
Manyiga ye mukulu waffe.
And I took him as our elder.
Sam has been a father to us, a friend.
Sam has been
mention it all. Sam has been a pillar.
Sam has been a
strong pillar in our family. Era ngolusi.
Sometimes
tukola emisango.
when we commit crimes, we say we have our brother.
Has been our security.
Sam.
We are all kids. We are so different in different things. But to be honest, Sam has been so different from all of us. Sam has been so calm. He has been so down to earth. As in, we are not talking because he's dead, but even you people know Sam. You know all of us, but you know Sam. Sam was, should I say gifted? Should I say talented? Sam was a representative in our family. We've lost a strong pillar. But all in all, we thank God for the life He gave us with Sam. Maybe alimututele tutategera na bulungi we at an early age. Naye atuyamba tubadde naye tumuyigiriddeko alese mu challenge muffe era tugenda gezaako. But we've lost a pillar of family. Daddy, Mommy, we are still here. Tetugenda kutuufiirira kifo kya Sam kubanga ffenna buli omu abadde ne paati ye. Buli omu ng'engalo emu evaako era ebeera emisinga nga zino zikola. We are there. We are there. We are there. We are your children. You are very many. Sam yali yakola family nene. We are there. Katugenda gezaako bridging the gap. But Sam, let him rest in peace. The friends say, yagamba tumusonyiwe. Buli omu gwe yakosa, n'agamba naye yasonyiwa buli everyone. So, mwongera temutuleka mikwano gya Sam, don't leave us. You know the family gyali azimbye tukyetaaga. Mutubeereko tubeerewo. Abakulu temuleka ba muzeeyi kye bayita mu kizibu. Kati ate mwe bakulu bannamwe musobola otuyamba ennyo. Abakadde temuleka mami. Mutubeereko temutuleka. Wadde tulaba nga abadde atukiikirira avuddewo, but we are still there. We are still there with God the glory for the time gyatulekedde. Thank you.
Thank you for the assistance. Let's get observed.